Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to run the desktop version of Anki 2.1.15 on an Android device using termux. First of all, we're gonna download termux. Then we are gonna give storage permission and update the packages. Then we are gonna install Andronix. I have the paid version of Manjaro, but it should also work fine on the free version. To install, tap on copy and then on termux. Paste the code and execute. This will start the download of the setup. Once it finishes, we're gonna start Androjaro. Set the username and password you wanna use. Then set the language settings. I recommend choosing English US. Use the termux arrows to navigate. Once it loads, we can start our VNC server. You have to enter the user password. You can also set a password only for view. Then download the VNC Viewer app. Add a new connection on localhost port 1 and choose a name. Enter the VNC password. Once you're in, I recommend to change your display settings to make everything bigger. I also changed the background to make it easier to understand what's going on. Then navigate in File System, etc, and locate a folder named pacman.d. Open mirror link and change the server link with the one provided with this guide. Save it and open the terminal. Complete the terminal setup. Update Pacman with the update command. Use Ctrl-Shift-V to paste it into the terminal. It will start updating Pacman. This can take up to 2-3 hours, so make sure you have your phone charged. Type yes on everything. Once it finishes, close the terminal and download the ARM packages for FFmpeg, Noto fonts, and Anki. Install FFmpeg dragging the file into the terminal. Then install Noto fonts. This is needed if you want to display Chinese, Japanese, and Korean correctly. Then install AMP Player. This is needed so you can use media files in Anki. Then we can finally install Anki. As you can see, you can use Anki Sync and install Anki add-ons, like the standard desktop version of Anki. Anki should be completely functional, but if you find any bugs, please comment on this video so that I can try to fix it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!